Okay, I want to show you one of our models here at the school. This is a model of an Osteon. We're going to look at several views of this model. This is the first view we're going to look at, and this is showing Volkmann canals on the side of the model. They're connected with these little canaliculi. They have blood vessels running through them, and there's several layers of lamella that we can see here from the side. Okay, this view shows the Volkmann canals without the blood vessels in them, along with these little canaliculi here and here. There's a lacuna, and there are no osteocytes in them. These are empty. There are no blood vessels here. But we can see these concentric rings or lamella of the osteons or adjacent osteons. This would be one osteon. Here is the other major osteon that we're going to look at. Okay, from this side of the model, we can again see Volkmann's canals without blood vessels. We can see some of the concentric circles of lamella. Here are some empty lacuna with little canals or canaliculi connecting them. Okay, here is the final side view that we're going to look at. We can see little concentric rings of lamella. These are lacuna that I'm pointing to right now, connected by canaliculi. Over here we see Volkmann's canals. These are what connect Haversian canals together in a lateral way, and we can actually see the blood vessels inundating these areas. Okay, here is a top-down view of the Osteon model, and when we look at this model we can see some details we haven't seen so far. Here is one big Osteon with the little concentric lamellar rings. Some of these lacuna do not have an osteocyte in them. Some of them do. The little blue structures would be osteocytes. Some of the canaliculi don't have blood vessels in them, while some, the little red lines, indicate blood vessels. Here is a Haversian canal. We can see a vein. We can see a couple of nerves. There's an artery, and this would be a lymphatic vessel. Again, all of these would be connected by way of Volkmann's canals, so we can see the beginnings of another osteon here, the beginnings of an osteon here, and these canals would be hooked with little lateral canals. Okay, here's an even closer view of that Haversian central canal, showing a vein, an artery. There's a lymphatic vessel. These little white structures are nerves. This is a lamellar ring with lacuna, canaliculi, the little cracks. There's some canaliculi with blood vessels in them, and you can see a lacuna with an osteon in it. Here would be another lamellar ring with empty lacuna. And yes, the picture is a little blurry, so evidently I'm not a very good photographer, but I'll try to fix that in future versions of this video.